Ababafundi be-Dyunivesithi Nelson Mandela e-Gqeberha bavale indlela engena kule dyunivesithi ngamadayari avuthayo. Ababafundi bafuna ukuphenduleka ngokukhawuleza malunga nomba wokulibaziseka kwenkxaso-mali yabo. Batyhola idyunivesithi kunye no-NSFAS ngokungakhathali.
NSFAS is not okay. This year, my NSFAS funding has been going down, negative. I'm affected negative because currently I don't have. I didn't even receive a clearance SMS from NSFAS. I'm not registered currently. I don't know my way forward because they are quiet. I tried appealing. They rejected me without no reason. They said I must appeal. I appealed right now. And I'm not the only one. Many students here are without accommodations. They are also having registered here at NMU. But NMU accepted them. They said they must come here without accommodation. What's the way forward in there? So basically, like, even the university, they don't take us seriously.
Unondyebo webhunga labafundi asavela sotheni uthi njengeenkokheli zabafundi baluthathele kubo uxanduva lokuqinisekisa ukuba abafundi abangekafumani imali ku-NSFAS bafumana okuya ngasethunjeni. Eli bhunga lithi iimfuno zabo bengabafundi zicacile yaye idyunivesithi mayize nesisombululo kule ngxaki.
So we propose to the university when it comes to accommodations, when it comes to the concession, extension of those concessions, and also the university to disperse allowances from their own coffers, you see. So when NSFAS is ready to disperse allowances to universities, they can take whatever they used to disperse, you see. So now we decided to approach university with these demands. But then the university was reluctant to actually meet these demands, you see. And as the SRC, we decided to use our own budget to make a 1 meal per day, because all of us currently are unfunded, even those who are accepted by NSFAS, but the status quo is that we are unfunded because we have not yet received allowances, book allowances. So we used our own budget to provide a meal per day.
Le university iti ithethathethana no-NSFAS ukuze nesisombululo kule ngxaki.
The university has been interacting with NSFAS and the student structures to resolve these issues. We wish to find solutions that are sustainable and will benefit all involved. The Central SRC has requested that the university provide 1,000 meals a day to students. Nelson Mandela University follows a humanizing pedagogy and has developed a number of initiatives as part of the Nutrition Working Committee with the establishment of food gardens and the like to address ongoing needs. In the interim, it is committed to supplementing the 300 meals a day being supplied by the Central SRC by adding 250 more meals, along with the establishment of soup kitchens in line with those offered on our George campus. This is for the forthcoming week as we await the disbursement of the NSFAS food allowances to our students. Our faculties are also assisting with the provision of meals.
Nangona bekubanjwe uqhankqalazo, izifundo ziye zaqhubeka online. Kwindaba se-MPK TV, Sinaye Ntshundu, eGqeberha.